Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. First, break 3 eggs into a bowl. A little tip here, make sure your eggs are at room temperature. This helps them mix better and creates a smoother batter. Now, add 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then grab your mixer and beat everything together. Use medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is the magic of the mixer. It incorporates air into the batter, which is key for getting that soft, airy texture that we all love in cakes. When it's done, you'll notice that the batter is light, smooth, and a bit fluffy. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be so happy for you to join our little community. Your support truly means the world to me. Next, let's add about 1/2 cup or 130 milliliters of vegetable oil. Mix it in thoroughly with your whisk. Vegetable oil is essential in this recipe because it keeps the cake soft and moist. Without it, the cake might turn out dry. Then let's add 1/2 cup or 150 milliliters of fresh orange juice. Stir everything together with your whisk until it's nice and smooth. The orange juice brings such a nice, refreshing flavor to the cake. Now, let's zest 1 orange. Zest gives the cake a burst of fresh citrus flavor, and it's not too overpowering, just a lovely hint of brightness. I always enjoy hearing where you're watching from, so let me know in the comments. What country, state, or city are you in today? I love seeing pictures of your cities, and I truly enjoy how you all connect in the comments. Add it straight into the bowl and give it another mix with the whisk. You'll see the zest adds that perfect touch, really ties everything together. If you have any questions about the recipe or need any tips, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. In a separate bowl, take 2 1/3 cups or 300 grams of flour. Then, add 15 grams of baking powder. Stir the dry ingredients together. This step is crucial because it ensures the baking powder is evenly distributed throughout the flour, which helps the cake rise evenly as it bakes. Next, take a sieve and gently sift about half of the dry mixture into the wet ingredients. Sifting helps remove any lumps and ensures the flour is incorporated evenly into the batter. It also helps keep the cake light and fluffy. Sifting the dry ingredients ensures that your cake will rise properly and be as airy as possible. Once the first half is sifted in, sift in the remaining flour. Take your time here and sift slowly. It makes all the difference. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, please don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps my channel grow. Now, gently whisk the mixture to combine. Don't rush this part. The whisk helps blend everything together smoothly without overmixing. Overmixing at this point can make the cake dense, so we want to be gentle but thorough. The batter should be smooth and creamy at this point. Now take a spatula and give the batter one last stir. The spatula is great for gently folding in any remaining flour and ensuring everything is well mixed without deflating the batter. This step is super important because we want to keep that light and fluffy texture we've built up with the whisk. Next, take about 30 grams of walnuts and chop them finely. I always love adding walnuts to my cakes. They give such a nice crunch and bring a slightly earthy flavor. Plus, they pair perfectly with the bright citrusy orange flavor we've got going in this cake. I can almost smell that warm, nutty aroma as we chop them up. Then, pour the cake batter into the already greased baking dish with butter and flour. Just look at that batter. It's so smooth and velvety, isn't it? Pour it gently, allowing the batter to fill the dish. As you pour, You can see the color and texture come together beautifully. Using a spatula, gently spread the batter out to make sure it's evenly distributed. I always enjoy this part because it's when you can see all your hard work taking shape. Be gentle and make sure it's level across the surface. No need to shake the dish, just gently spread the batter. Now, take the chopped walnuts and sprinkle them evenly over the top of the batter. They'll add a perfect little crunch to the soft, fluffy cake. Now, pop the cake into the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Once the cake is ready, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Just look at how golden and inviting it looks. The walnuts should have toasted beautifully on top, giving it a nice crunch, while the inside is soft, fluffy, and bursting with flavor. After that, slice a piece and give it a try. The cake should be moist, with a perfect crumb, and that delightful balance of sweetness and refreshing citrus. The orange zest shines through, and the walnuts bring that beautiful, earthy richness. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope this cake brings as much happiness to your home as it does to mine. Until next time, happy cooking!